Hello, this is Ghazanfar Ali. Today our topic is who purchases GDP. Economists divide GDP into four broad expenditure categories. The first part is consumption expenditure, which is basically purchases by consumers. The second part is private investment expenditure, which is purchases by the firms and the business sector. The third component is government purchases, which is the purchases by the federal, state, and local governments. And the fourth part is net exports. And net export refers to the net purchases by the foreign sector or domestic exports minus domestic imports. Now we will take up each part one by one and we will discuss in details. The first part is the consumption expenditure. Consumption expenditure comprise purchases of currently produced domestic or foreign goods and services. Broadly speaking, consumption is broken down into consumption goods and services. Goods are further divided into durable goods and non-durable goods. The example of durable goods are automobiles, television, and the example of non-durable goods are beverages, food, clothing, etc. And services consists of medical services, haircut, banking services, insurance, etc. Services is the fastest growing component of consumption. Consumption expenditure comprises of around 68% of total purchases. The second component is private investment expenditure, which includes spending on new plants and equipments, newly produced housing, and increase in inventory during the current year. Investment has three main components. The first part is business fixed investment. It consists of purchases of newly produced plants and equipment, which is also called the capital goods. The second subcomponent of investment is residential construction investment, which is the building of single and multi-family housing units. The final component of investment is inventory investment, which is the change in business inventory. Inventory can be positive or it can be negative. The third component of investment is the government purchases. It includes any goods the government purchases plus the wages and benefits of all government employee, but does not include all the government spending. Government purchases is the share of current output bought by the government sector, which includes the federal government as well as the state and the local government. Transfer payment is not included in the government purchases. Transfer payments are government payments to individuals which are not associated with the production of any goods and services are not included in government purchases. This means that a large part of the federal government budget is not part of GDP. The last part of the GDP is the net exports. Net exports are total exports minus total imports. By including net export in GDP, we measure the real production of a country by adding exports and by subtracting imports. Purchases of foreign goods like imports are subtracted from GDP because these goods were not produced within the country. Any product or goods that are produced within the country and sold abroad, called exports, are included in GDP. With this I conclude today's lecture. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for future educational videos.